Well, team, this is Pat Walker, Mission Winners. Thought I'd do a training coaching video. I was talking to Owen. I said, you know what might be a good idea is let's go through the charts and let's look at them and just analyze them and develop a better foundation framework on what to do. The biggest part of this game is what to do. What do we buy? When do we buy? When do we sell? What are we supposed to do? And I'd just like to share these with you. They always say a picture's worth 1,000 words, so I thought, what the heck? Let's do 1,000 words. And you could say, what are you going to say 1,000 words? Probably. You know how I am. Anyway, here's the Dow. The Dow's is falling right here, as you can see. All right? Not so good. S&P 500's falling. Not so good. NASDAQ comp, falling. Not so good. They're below the 200-day moving average line. Below the 200-day moving average line. And it's really simple. When you see things like this, you just heed it. We don't argue with it. All right? Here's a very important point. I'm asking you, please, never argue with your stocks. Never argue with price. Don't get mad at it, all right? It's an inanimate object. It doesn't know that we exist. So why waste energy by getting upset? All we can do is control risk, and our tactics allow us to do that. NASDAQ comp is weak. So now let's go down and look at the stocks. Starbuck, we're in down here. It's a great run. It's a leading stock in a leading group. We've sold some into strength. We're in good shape. Everything's fine. Price alerts are set. And people say, why don't we just sell all of it now? Why? Why? What if we sell all of it now and it goes up to 40 or 50 and we're out of it? Price will tell us what to do and we'll let it. CTVA, entry right here. Lifts off. Everything's fine. We'll let it work and see what happens. I'm going to do something here real quick too. We're going to drag that over there so we can see the volume. One thing that's a plus is it's falling on decreasing volume. DAC, couple of buys. Good buy right here especially. Look at the igniting bar here. Look at the price and volume. Isn't that awesome? There's the chart. There's the tops. People voted. And what have we done? We've been selling, and I'll make this a little bigger now, selling some into strength. There's a very important point here. There is a reason why I always talk about selling some into strength. They eliminated the uptick rule, oh gosh, it's been over a decade ago. And what that's done is cause stocks to drop a little bit faster in price. So what do we do in reaction to that? This has to do with the SEC Act of 33 and 34, by the way. All right, just so you know, yes, I was licensed and all those different things. The idea that we need to manage our stocks. Stocks can go up, but stocks can fall. And stocks can fall a little bit faster than they used to. And I'm not talking day trading. I'm simply talking we manage them. We manage them. We'll let them work as long as possible. We know we're not going to sell at the top, but we'll make some money along the way. A couple of sells. It's on the 21-day. If it loses the 21-day, we'll sell more for a profit. It's that simple. Here's the next chart. EC. This has earnings coming tomorrow. We've sold some several times. You're in good shape. And team, I need to share this with you. A couple of times, I should say. Team, please do not carry a full position into earnings. Please. So, EC, we've sold some. We won't lose on this. But know this, and I can't stress, team, this stock has earnings tomorrow. Please be aware of it. You can say, Patrick, how do you know? That's what MarketSmith says. If you have a different system that tells something different, let me know. But always sell some into strength. Continue onwards. Eagle, great buy right there. Look at the run. We've sold a couple of times. The worst case scenarios, you see the price alert right there? The worst case scenario is we sell the rest of this for a profit. That's the absolute worst case scenario. No matter what happens, you're going to make money. EOG, good buy right there. Look at that. Look at the volume pickup on that bar. Look at the trend. As it's rallying up, what do? We sell some into strength. And I know you can say, you say that a lot. I can't stress it enough how important it is to constantly reinforce and hone our investing strategies and tactics where it becomes literally almost automatic. It's just what we do. It's just what we do. Picture this. On all these stocks I've shown you, no matter what happens, you're going to make money because you've already locked in good profits. That allows us to decrease stress, which allows us to think clearer, right? Isn't that good? I like that. Gold is working. We've sold some. Price alerts are set right here. We'll watch it and see what happens. By the way, I hope everybody's doing well. I know you can say, oh, Pat, this is awful. Really, if you're following the rules and tactics, and I think you are, and I commend you, you should be okay. You should be okay. I've got to get rid of that alert right here. That's on QID. I'll just raise that up a bit. Okay. So here we go. Let's continue onward. There's the Eagle. EOG. Been through this. GLD. Good buys. Good run. It's extended. We've sold some. I've advised to sell some. You can say why. It guarantees a profit. This stock could fall all the way down to your buy price and you sell the rest for break even and you made money. That's huge. That is so huge. I can't stress it enough. Halliburton, good buy right here. Short shelf, but look at the volume. Look at the trend up to 80 MA. And what do? We bought some more and then we started selling as it started to peak off here. It starts to lose the 21-day right there, the blue line. We'll sell more. That's just it. By the way, I need to share this with you. On all these charts, I haven't looked at any 5-minute charts. No reason to. Nucor here, right here, it started to go, but there's no power on this. This keeps dropping. I'm going to set this alert right there again. If this keeps dropping, I'm going to advise to sell more. Don't let, see the buy down here? Please do not let a profit turn into a loss. It just makes it easy. That's why I always have a mindset. If this, then that. If this happens, we do that. And we know what, quote unquote, that is before we need to do it. Let's move on. By the way, I thought I'd put a nice bright shirt on a somber, kind of a downer day, right? Takes a real man to wear pink. You know what I mean? Okay, here we go. PXD lifts up here, reverses down. We sold those shares, right? Buys down here, still okay. This keeps dropping, we'll sell more. CAR, lifted off, runs up, gaps up, starts to fall. What do? I mean, this is the real world. This isn't textbook. What did we do? We sold. Said, I'm not going to ride this pony down here and have a problem. We sold it for a very small loss. And I hate losses. I will tell you, I hate them. But again, we accept them as part of investing. It's going to be there. I've said this before in other videos. Be very pragmatic. If there was no such things as losses, then why did Bill O'Neill, who is one of my heroes, why did Bill O'Neill talk about limiting losses? We limit losses. It helps us. TRGP, picking up, pulling back, have sold some, have made money. Beautiful situation. This keeps falling. I'll raise this alert a little bit right there, okay? This keeps falling. We sell the rest. We control risk. And I just wanted to go through here and show you how. And you said, I've seen this. It's worthwhile to keep looking at it, to keep studying it, and keep honing and refining our skills. That's what I want to do. It's consistent profitability, and also just kind of take a breath. It's like, gosh, the Dow's down 704, the NASDAQ's down almost 300. Oh my gosh, it's the end of the world. No, we know what to buy. We knew when to buy. We knew to sell some into strength. We'd never let profits turn into losses, and we just do that. That's it.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.